Oh, 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 what a good deal this is. Holy crap, you gotta check out these deals here over at MARSHYDRO. They've been a sponsor of my channel for a very long time, so I'm gonna shout these deals out from the rooftop for you guys here. It's 13 days till Christmas. Oh God, you guys better hurry up. If you need last minute shopping for your grower friends or partners or whatever, MARSHYDRO's got you covered. They got some really, really good price drops right now. Some very, very good sales going on. They got a couple of things. You can get the TS1000 for under $100 right over here. It's 99 bucks. And then that TS, what is it? The TS600 is only $62 US pricings right now. But man, the sales are on. They're really looking good. So we got a couple items for sure under $100. Grow tents on sale. This tent right here is the one that I have in my autoflower room that I'm going to be doing some deep water culture stuff on very soon, because MARSHYDRO started some deep water culture stuff. Actually, right over here, the deep water culture set is on sale right now. Look at this, only $89 US, less than 100 bucks for that. That's pretty cool. They got definitely a bunch of things here that were under $100. We got even the grow kits are not under 100 bucks, but the combined price tag on like this one here, for example, you can't get the TS1000, the light, the fan, the carbon filter, the scrog netting, the ventilation hosing. You can't even get all. It's going to cost you probably about 450 bucks to get all that stuff, but they're selling it for 300. It's like a huge deal in its own, and again, it's on a small sale as well on top of that. Amazing, amazing. Ventilation also on sale, 100 bucks and under for a couple of these different products if you need some new ventilation. Oh my, oh my. And here we are back to tents and then lights. Oh my, just so much to choose from. Oh, we're out of stock on these drying racks. They must have been selling, probably because harvest season just came. Anyway, check out the deals. There is some really, really, really good deals going on here over at MARSHYDRO. And use my code. If you don't get a discount that you like, use my code CANNABEARD. I'll leave it up over here for further purchases past this deal here. But you're not going to want to miss this if you're looking for some last minute stuff. I think we got you covered. Anyway, folks, I'll see you real soon. Have a good one. Let me know in the comments below if you actually grabbed anything off of this sale. And yeah, I'd just like to hear if anybody, what people are getting. Anyway, cheers, folks.